Guys, there's a live airdrop happening right now from Pharos Network, a project backed by $8 million from Hack VC and Faction VC. They're giving away Pros tokens completely free, and here's exactly how to claim yours. Pharos is an EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain built by former Ant Group leadership. That's the payments giant behind Alipay. The project is laser-focused on real-world assets, RWA. The numbers speak for themselves. 30,000 transactions per second, sub-second finality, 174 million wallet addresses already on the network, and a partnership with Ant Digital Technologies on a $1.5 billion RWA exchange pipeline. Their testnet is already live. Over 3 billion users have gone through it. Right now, Pharos has opened an airdrop for 50 million PROs tokens. 37% is already claimed, so don't sleep on this. Eligibility is straightforward. Early supporters, testnet participants, and active wallets all qualify. The earlier you get in, the better your allocation. All right, let me walk you through it. Step 1, head to the Pharos website. Link is in the description. Step 2, hit the Claim Airdrop button. Connect your MetaMask or any EVM-compatible wallet. Step 3, the system automatically checks your eligibility. If your wallet qualifies, you'll see the exact number of tokens allocated to you. So why is this not just another junk airdrop? Because there's real money behind it, 8 million in seed funding, Ant Group level technology, and a $1.5 billion RWA pipeline, plus 1.5 million community followers. That's a serious ecosystem already in motion. Airdrops with this kind of backing don't come around often. Link to the site is in the description and pinned comment. Connect your wallet before the allocation runs out. Subscribe, drop a like, and let me know in the comments.